The Chrome extension gives Claude Code the ability to see and interact with your browser in real time. While Playwright focuses on automated testing, the Chrome extension is designed for visual inspection and UI debugging. You can think of it as giving Claude visibility into what you see on your screen. The key difference is in purpose. The Chrome extension is used for quick visual checks, debugging layouts, and inspecting live applications. Playwright is used for structured automation, end-to-end testing, and repeatable workflows. Both are important, but they serve different roles. To install the Chrome extension, you can use the browser store or initiate installation through Claude Code. Once installed, it connects your browser session to Claude. After setup, you can use commands to interact with the browser. You can capture screenshots, inspect elements, view console logs, and analyze network activity. These capabilities allow Claude to understand the actual state of your application. One of the most powerful use cases is visual verification. When you are building a user interface, you can ask Claude to capture a screenshot of your application. It can then analyze the layout, identify visual issues, and suggest or apply fixes. This is extremely useful for catching problems that are not obvious from code alone. Another important feature is element inspection. Claude can examine specific elements on the page and retrieve detailed information such as structure, styles, and positioning. This helps diagnose layout problems and understand how components are rendered. Console access is also very valuable. If your application has errors, Claude can read console logs and identify issues such as JavaScript errors or warnings. This allows it to pinpoint problems and suggest fixes directly. Network analysis adds another layer of insight. Claude can inspect API calls, identify failed requests, and detect missing or incorrect parameters. This is particularly useful when debugging data-related issues. A typical debugging workflow becomes much more efficient. You make a change, capture a screenshot, analyze the result, identify issues, and apply corrections. This cycle repeats quickly, allowing rapid iteration. The Chrome extension is best used during development. It is ideal for visual debugging, checking layouts, verifying responsiveness, and identifying runtime errors. It is not intended for automated testing or production pipelines. For those use cases, Playwright remains the better choice. Together, these tools provide a complete browser capability. The Chrome extension gives real-time visual insight, while Playwright provides structured automation. Using both effectively allows you to build, test, and debug applications with much greater speed and accuracy. In the next section, you will explore integrations and learn how to connect Claude Code with external systems and services.